Hi everybody, welcome to On Mathmax Tutorial. Today we have seen what questions on integration, and today example on integration is integration 3x raised to 13 plus 2x raised to 11 divided by 2x raised to 4 plus 3x square plus 1 and raised to power 4 dx. And what is the exact solution? And this is actually India's top entrance exam, that's mean JEE Main questions, and these questions is JEE Main 2019 questions. Actually this is the mostly repeated type this of questions. Okay, now let's do start and finding the solution. Yes, okay, now we observe the denominator part here, x raised to 4 is the highest power in denominator part. Okay, because here the power 4 and this becomes x raised to 16. Okay, actually this is the highest power, so we can here the both numerator and denominator dividing by x raised to 16. Therefore this integration becomes as we can write 3x raised to 13 plus 2x raised to 11 also divided by x raised to 16 and divide by this is 2x raised to 4 plus 3x square plus 1 and divide by this is x raised to 4 brackets raised to 4 and dx. And now this is the simplification, we can write as this is the 3 divided by x raised to cube, then plus 2 divided by x raised to this becomes 5. Yes, okay, and divided by this integration, this is simplification term becomes as 2 plus 3 divided by x square plus 1 upon x raised to 4 bracket raised to 4 and dx. And now we observe here this term 2 plus 3x square plus 1 by x raised to 4, the derivative present in the numerator, so we can here put the substitution method. Yes, okay, therefore we here substitute t is equal to, suppose this is 2 plus 3 divided by x square plus 1 upon x raised to 4, and this function differentiate with respect to x, therefore we get here dt is equal to, this term becomes here 3 minus 2 divided by x raised to cube, then this is the plus and this becomes, this is the derivative minus 4 divided by x raised to 5 and dx. Now we have taken minus 2 is the common term, therefore minus 2 in bracket 3 divided by x raised to cube plus 1 upon x raised to 5 and dx. Now this term can be arranged as this is the minus dt by 2 is equal to 3 upon x raised to cube plus 1 upon x raised to 5 and dx, and this value present in this numerator. Therefore this integration we can write as this is the minus dt by 2 and this is the t term raised to power 4. Therefore we can write as integration minus 1 by 2 is the common term and t raised to this is the minus 4 dt, and we can now find the integration. Therefore minus 3 divided by minus 3 and plus is constant of integration, so minus minus we get here plus, this is plus we can write as 1 by 6 terms. Okay, and into 1 upon t cube and plus is constant of integration and this is I term. Okay, now we can back put here t is equal to 2 plus 3 divided by x square plus 1 upon x raised to 4, so we get here final solution as, so I is equal to, we can write 1 by 6 is the common term and in bracket this is the 1 upon this is the t cube term. Yes, okay, 2 plus 3 upon x square plus this term 1 upon x raised to 4 and bracket here cube. Yes, okay, therefore this term can be written as 1 by 6 term and therefore we can write the simplification this term. Okay, this is 2x raised to 4 plus this is the 3x square plus 1 raised to power 3 and this term x raised to 4 power 3 is equal to becomes x raised to 12 and this is the x raised to 12 in the numerator part. Yes, okay, and plus is the constant of integration. Okay, and this is my actually final solution. Yes, okay, this is the simple solution. Yes, got it? Yes, okay. If you like this solution, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.